Hey everyone, Mr. Newman here, and I'm going to real quick run through how to do the exponent operations practice quiz. First of all, when you're multiplying powers, you add the exponents. So 2 plus 5 is 7, so we get x to the 7th. When you're dividing powers, you subtract exponents. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So you get a to the 4th. And when you're raising a power to an exponent, you're going to multiply those. So 2 times 5 is 10. So we get c to the 10th. Right here, it says simplify each expression, but you need to write your final answer only with positive exponents. So this first one, we have a negative exponent, and you remember if you take the reciprocal, you can make it a positive exponent. So we flip it and make it a positive exponent. But you don't want to write divided by 1, because divided by 1 doesn't change anything to the number, so we're just going to write x to the 3rd power. And that's our final answer. For the second one, we're multiplying the exponents. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. But in order to make it a positive exponent, we need to flip it. So 1 over z to the positive 8th. And this last one, since we're multiplying, we need to add the exponents. 2 plus negative 3 is negative 1. And to make that positive, we need to flip it. So 1 over g to the positive 1, but we don't want to write g to the first because that's just g. So our final answer is 1 over g. Again, for question 3, we're going to simplify each expression and write only positive exponents. So a times b to the 0, well, anything to the 0 power is 1. For part b, here if you want to write it out, c squared d to the 3rd out 5 times, you'll see it's really c squared to the 5th and d cubed to the 5th. So we multiply because it's a power to an exponent. We get c to the 10th and d to the 15th. For the last one, there's going to be maybe the trickiest one. We need to subtract the a's, and then we need to subtract the b's, so the exponents on the b's. Remember that down there on the bottom, there's no number on the b, so it's really b to the 1st. So we get 3 minus 6 is negative 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. But we can't leave this as an exponent, as a negative exponent. We need to change it to positive 1, so I need to put 1 over a to the 3rd. That can be written as v to the 1st over a to the 3rd. You see how having the negative exponent, if you move it to the bottom, it becomes positive? Well, we don't want to write b to the 1st either, because that's just b, so our final answer is b over a cubed, or a to the 3rd. Thank you for watching.